Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. In today's video, we will explore the distinctions between AS and A levels to help you make an informed decision about your academic path. Let's start with the basics. AS levels or advanced subsidiary levels are standalone qualifications that are typically taken in the first year of sixth form or college. On the other hand, A levels are more comprehensive and cover a wider range of topics. Let's discuss course materials and study duration. Both AS and A levels require a good level of written English as the materials are predominantly written in this language. AS levels typically take 1 year to complete, while A levels are usually taken over 2 years, allowing for a more in-depth exploration of the subject studied. You can see the list of the subjects on your screen. Let's talk about flexibility and course structure. One of the key differences between AS and A levels is the level of flexibility they offer. AS levels provide students with a wider range of flexibility, allowing them to study a variety of subjects before committing to a more specialized higher level course. This level of flexibility is extremely beneficial for individuals who have many different interests and are unsure about their preferred field of study. A levels, on the other hand, are more structured and delve deeper into the subject studied, providing a more comprehensive understanding of the course material. The course content is more complex and covers a wider range of topics, making it a more in-depth qualification compared to AS level. Let's go through differences and similarities. The main difference between AS and A levels is the depth of study. A levels require a more in-depth understanding and knowledge of the subject compared to AS level. A levels also typically cover a wider range of topics and require more independent study and critical thinking. Additionally, A levels are generally seen as more rigorous and challenging than AS levels. However, for some students, the flexibility and lower workload of AS levels can be more appealing. Despite their differences, AS and A levels share some similarities. Both qualifications are recognized by universities and can provide a pathway to higher education. They also both require a certain level of dedication, hard work, and perseverance in order to succeed. Furthermore, both qualifications are highly respected by employers and can open up a range of opportunities in the workforce. Let's talk about the grading and assessment system. The Cambridge International A level is reported on a grade scale from A star, which is highest, to E, which is minimum required performance. There is no A star grade for Cambridge International AS levels, which are reported from grade A to E. Each subject is graded separately and no grade point average is calculated. Separate certificates are issued for each examination series. So, which should you choose? Ultimately, the decision between AS and A levels will depend on your academic strengths, interests, and career goals. If you enjoy a particular subject and are willing to put in the extra effort, A levels may be the right choice for you. However, if you prefer a more varied curriculum and want to keep your options open, AS levels could be the better option. Remember to consider your own strengths and weaknesses and seek advice from teachers or career advisors to help you make an informed decision. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.